Hi everyone, welcome to this new video guys. Welcome to Fix It Free. So in today's video I will explain how you can disable the update. So some Windows 10 user just doesn't want those update and anymore, and they are happy as they are with the current version of Windows. So in this video guys, I will show you how you can permanently disable the updates. So first thing to do, go to services, and here you will find a big list of all the services that are available on Windows. So search for update, Windows update. It's downside here. Double click on it. Then you will find here in general this startup type. Turn this to disable. Here click on apply and then go to this and then go to recovery. Here after the first filer select take no action at this 3 button here, take no action, and then reset the file count after 1 day. Set this as 0, and here as you can see click on apply. So guys, that's all what you need to stop update, automatic update of your Windows 10. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix It Free, and don't forget also to hit that bell button to get notified on our new videos. Thank you guys.